In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google Docs alongside the AI Assist for Gemini. This powerful tool can help you streamline your document creation, making it quicker and more intuitive. So let's get started right away. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Google Docs. If you're not signed in yet, this is where you'll need to enter your Google account details. Once you're in, take a look at the interface. It's streamlined to give you quick access to your documents and get you working with ease. Now, locate the section labeled Recent Documents. This area is really helpful as it keeps your most recent projects right at your fingertips, saving you time hunting through folders. Simply click on the document you wish to open and you'll be ready to move on to the more exciting steps. Once your document is open, take a look at the top of the screen for the extensions menu. Click on it and this will open up a list of available extensions for Google Docs. Among these, you'll find the AI Assist for Gemini for Sheets, Docs, and Forms. This tool is definitely a game changer, especially if you're dealing with a lot of content generation. After you found the AI Assist for Gemini option, click on Open to get started. This will launch the extension and introduce a new sidebar or toolbar next to your main document window. Now you can really dig into the capabilities of Gemini. To begin using Gemini, you'll notice an option labeled Help Me Write with a little sparkle emoji next to it. Give that a click. Here's where the fun begins, as you can now input prompts. For example, if you need a professional email to introduce your business, simply type that prompt in. Alternatively, request a draft for a blog post about healthy meal prep. The choice is yours. Once Gemini receives your prompt, let the artificial intelligence work its magic. You'll soon see a generated text ready for you to preview. If it meets your needs, click on Insert to seamlessly add it to your document. After inserting the text, you have several options to further refine and perfect your work. For example, you can opt to recreate the text, generating a fresh version if you're not satisfied with the initial one. You can select Refine to adjust the text tone, whether you need it to be shorter, more formal, or perhaps rephrased entirely. Lastly, don't forget that after you insert your text, you can still make manual edits anytime to ensure it fully aligns with your goals. And there you have it, a comprehensive way to maximize your productivity with Google Docs and Gemini. Keep exploring and experimenting, and you'll discover that this tool is a robust ally in creating professional and polished documents effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.